All right, guys, how you guys doing today? Good morning to every one of you. Our first video for today. We are here to talk about the same video that we actually talked about yesterday on our live broadcast on more or less Sowore's interview. How he criticized coalition, how he criticized everybody involved in the coalition, and Nigerians have reacted. In fact, the video is currently circulating everywhere. I thought I should rebroadcast this particular video again and say something afterwards. Let's watch it.
You said you are leading a coalition.
The people, not it's not a political.
It's only AAC and yourself that is leading that coalition.
It's the coalition that is connecting with the people, and those are the oppressed. I'm not going to be part of it. I've said it from the beginning, and I think we had this conversation, that this whole coalition is either trying to get attention for those who don't have a job, or those who feel like...
What do you mean who don't have a job?
Well, you know...
Former Vice President, Amechi, former...
Amechi said it. Amechi said it. Amechi has been in power since 1999. He has been in power, and he's complaining of hunger already. So what does that tell you?
I think he was referencing Nigerians who are hungry.
No, he said if others are not hungry, me, I'm hungry. And he said it at a birthday party where he rented a hall and had, a performer that probably collected 10 million naira to perform per hour. But that's not the issue. What we're trying to say is that please don't be distracted. What needs to be done must be done. Bond together, but don't be distracted and don't let people lie to you that they're interested. Even if they somehow transfer power to themselves, you're going to get the same result. They are the same people. Just changing uniform and changing parties overnight is not the same thing.
So you're not joining the articles of this world, the Rotimi Amechi, the El-Rufai, and those who are saying that enough is enough. In fact, El-Rufai said they will not allow this government to go further than 2027. And in fact, they will send President Bola Tinubu back to Lagos in 2027. And you don't think, that's what you wanted to. You've lived all your life wanting to become Nigeria's president.
Do you know the first time I knew about the article, 1992. It was contesting against Abiola, and I was a student union president at the University of Lagos. If I didn't join him when I was 21 years old, knowing who they are, why would I join them when I'm 54 years old, knowing who they are? And having covered them, having understood them, I know all of them, I know their character, I know they mean nothing good for the country.
What's your strategy? Since you're a lone man and a lone voice.
I'm not a lone voice.
You said you're not joining the coalition.
No, the coalition is what is lonely. That's why they can't even hold meetings. That's why they can't find a party to join. They were joining SCP one day, the next day they're in ADC. Now they said they want to register a party. That's loneliness. Because any coalition that is without ideology is a lonely coalition. A coalition without conviction, a coalition without character. Coalition without integrity.
There are those who are of the opinion that if things go on and opposition parties are not united and coordinated, it's going to be an easy ride for Bola Tinubu and the APC.
It is what they are doing that will make it easy for him to run, that will make him easy to return to office. They are preventing the real organic coalition of the oppressed to fight. People are getting distracted. Nigerian people actually think these guys are fighting.
What is the best way to have a headway? 2027.
Is for the people to understand that the only way out is the way they design for themselves.
And who is the best man for the job?
Here you have me. And I'll keep telling you, regardless of how long you dismiss it, one day you thank the moment that we shared together, that we gave you an alternative, but you rejected it.
Are you talking to the Nigerian people? Not
I'm talking to Nigerian people, including you.
No, I'm a journalist.
Yes, because you are Nigerian. I'm also a journalist, don't forget.
No, you used to be one.
I'm still a journalist. So
but you're a politician
I may be a busybody journalist, but I see, it's a profession that I actually did found.
Omoyele Sowore seems to be someone that doesn't care anymore. Unfortunately, I have to say this, because if you care, you need to go extra miles to work with people that can join you to rescue this country. You are my friend, I have to tell you the truth. But the way it looks like, you are fighting alone. You and I know that there's no way you can rescue this country by fighting alone. You cannot continue to criticize everyone that is putting themselves together to see how they can rescue this country in 2027. But when you continue to criticize everybody and you think you are the only good person, then nobody will be standing with you. That's all I have to say. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.